Alrighty, happy holidays to everybody. Tonight we're going to be learning how to make an amazing side dish, Cajun green bean casserole. You ready to come learn? Let's go! First we're going to be taking 16 ounces of whole green beans, just like so. Adding in 1 cup of milk. Next, taking in onion, celery, bell pepper, garlic, and parsley. Now adding in our crispy bacon right on top. Very nice. From here we're going to be taking 2 tablespoons of blackening seasoning. Then adding in 10 ounces of cream of mushroom soup. Just like so. Pinch of pepper. Very nice. 1 cup of fried onions goes right in as well. And now we're going to give this a nice mix. This is going to be one of your favorite side dishes for the holidays. Pour this into a cast iron skillet. Very nice. Bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Alrighty, there you have it. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye.